So this is Unzen Kyushu Hotel, which is in Nagasaki Prefecture in the Unzen area, which is known for its onsen hot springs. Anyways, where we're staying is Hanare, which means detached, private villa suite, a terrace suite. So for COVID and for other reasons, we chose to stay in one of these villas. And so let's take a look. There we go. All right, so let me close the door. All right, there you go. So you enter here. So this is, from here you can see the onsen bath. There's an indoor one and an outdoor one. This is the shower area. We'll take a look a little closer in a moment. There's another hallway to the left is the closet. So the blue are the yukata, or sort of like the uniform that you can wear throughout the resort. The red one is kind of an outer robe for when you're cold. This is after you get out of your hot springs onsen bath. So you walk this way. Over here is the vanity sink. And then further down this hallway to the left is the sleeping area. Right here. All right. And then turning around this way is the main living area. So there's the Western style living area with the flat screen TV, couch, whatnot. And then there's a Japanese section further out, but here's mini bar area, a desk, some coffee, tea. And then there's a little Japanese sitting area. This is for privacy's sake. I guess they couldn't build a room with a view, but they do have a lounge nearby that has views of what they call the Jigokudani, the Hell's Valley of the hot springs. And then, so let's go back, show you the toilet. There you go. Here it is. Looks like any other toilet. Has a built-in sink. All right, so let's go and take a look at the onsen. All right. And then we go outside. So this is the indoor onsen bath. This area's onsen is pretty, a strong smell, sulfur, which is the way we like it because there's no BSing the fact that it is natural onsen mineral water. And then over here, you can also enter this area from the living room through this door. Anyway, so this is you have a little a chair. You have a little sitting area out there. You can see the Japanese sitting area of our suite here. And then they also have this mini open air rotenburo, which means open air bath, which is both the indoor and outdoor one are natural onsen hot springs. I'll just open that part of it so you can see. So you can just get in there and enjoy the onsen from here. So anyways, this is, I think that's all there is to really point out of this room at Unzen Kyushu Hotel. And hope you enjoyed it.